Hello, welcome back to Amor'es you, Amor'es me. So let's spread a little love, and your pile is back with another video. Well, wedding season is not yet over, and we all want to decked up, be it our best friend wedding or near dear ones. So we all girls want to look good. On this video, I've covered the full face makeup look, and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure that you start on a clean canvas, and also don't forget to apply your skincare before doing the makeup. So firstly, I will be applying a foundation. So I'm using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Buff. So here I am using a brush to apply the foundation on my face, and after that I will be using a beauty blender to blend my foundation. So here you have to keep in mind that you don't forget to apply on your neck as well as your ears so that it looks very even. So as it is a party makeup look, so I will be applying a concealer to hide my any uneven skin tone. So here I am applying on the upper lids and also to hide the my little bit dark circle which I have, and then with a beauty blender you have to blend it properly. So here I am using Nykaa's compact powder. So you have to set your face wherever you find it's creasing or it's like little cakey, or otherwise where you're feeling that it will sweat. So for my blush I am using Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan's collection in the shade pink. So this blush is very pigmented, so what I will do is that I will mix the foundation with this blush and I will like little subtle the color down. This blush is very pigmented, so make sure that you apply a little on your cheeks and then you have to build the color. So now I will be doing my eyebrows. For that I am using PAC brow pomade. So firstly, with any spoolie you have to comb the eyebrow, and then with my PAC pomade I am just with a light stroke I am just filling my eyebrows. So for my eyes I will be using the Sugar palette in the shade Warrior. So firstly you have to take a lighter peachy shade for your crease line, and then you have to blend it lightly. After that you have to take a little orangish peachy shade, and then on the outer corner to the inner corner you have to blend it properly. So after doing your crease line you have to take a darker shade to give that transition look. So take the lighter brownish shade and then you have to apply it on the inner corner as well as outer corner of your eyes. So now on this look I will be doing a cut crease. So with any foundation or any concealer you have to just draw a cut crease. Make sure you are using a flat brush so that the cut crease is very clean. After doing the cut crease, then take a golden shade and then put on the cut crease area. And then to make my eye look pop out, I will be using a golden eyeliner to just line the cut crease area. Then I will be applying some coats of mascara. So I am using this Color Essence eye mascara. Here I will be wearing some falsies because I don't have much eyelashes, and if you are like comfortable wearing falsies then you can go for it, or if you don't have much eyelashes like me, so you can wear falsies if you are comfortable in it. So with the help of Miss Claire glue I am applying the eyelashes. I have the complete tutorial that how to apply the fake lashes on my channel. So if you want to watch like how to apply the eyelashes, I will be putting the link down below in the description box or in the I button. Don't forget to check it out. And now I will be applying my favorite part, that is lipstick. So I will be using a red lipstick today. For that I am using Lakme Melt lipstick, and with the help of the brush I will be applying the lipstick. If you have watched my previous video, you know that I don't apply lip liners, or because it's just because that I can line my lips well with the like brushes or with the help of the brush which they like the liquid lipstick have. So if you are not comfortable with it, make sure that you line your lips and make your look very cleaner. I will be applying a highlighter on my cupid bow and on the bridge of my nose, also on the cheekbones. So I am not using any other highlighter palette. I am using the same eyeshadow palette from Sugar Cosmetic, and it has a very good goldenish shade highlighter into it. With that I have completed my look. You can add some makeup fixer or if you want. So if you are not going outside, then you can let it be as it is. So I hope you're gonna like this makeup look, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care, miss you, bye bye.